Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, more good news coming for Samsung Galaxy mid-range phones, especially for Galaxy A series. Yesterday, I told you that Samsung has created a Oneui 8.5 beta build community page for Samsung Galaxy A54, and I told you that A54 will get Oneui 8.5 beta update in upcoming days. Well, Samsung did not took even few days. Samsung has already started rolling out Oneui 8.5 beta 1 update for Galaxy A54 in India. So as you can see, this is the update, and the update size is around 3 GB. It comes with the Apparel security page update. So obviously after update, you will get all the features of One UI 8.5. If you don't know how to join One UI 8.5 beta program, I will tell you in this video at the end. But before that, one more good news. Samsung Galaxy A55 has also started receiving One UI 8.5 beta update in India. So A55 has already got the update few days ago in Korea, but Indian users did not got the update. But today, Samsung has started rolling out One UI 8.5 beta update for A55 users in India. So as you can see, the update size is around 2 GB for A55 users. If you have Galaxy A54 and A55, just go to what you have to do to join the beta program. You must have this Samsung app called Samsung Member app and open it. You will see a banner called this beta program. Just scroll down. You might see at the bottom. Tap on it and you will see this notification One UI 8.5 your model. Okay, you just have to tap over here and you have to join the beta. So I have already joined the beta, that's why it's showing this screen. For you it might show you like continue join. Okay, after that, after joining the beta, you just have to go to your phone settings and check for the updates. Okay, it will show you One UI 8.5 beta update on your A54 and A55. I have this 23 FE. I have already got the update. Alright guys, after updating to One UI 8.5 beta, you need to watch this video. In this video, I have shown like 5 new features which you should immediately turn on after updating to One UI 8.5 beta. These features are amazing. Okay, this video link will be in the description. After updating, watch this video, okay, and turn on all these 5 new features. These features are amazing. And congratulations for A54 and A55 users in India. And still, A56 users haven't got the update. I don't know why. This Samsung thing. Bye, meet you in my next video. If you have any questions, just comment below. Bye, take care.